the bullets. Yeah, you shot me through the heart, casting dice and roulette.
AFK gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. First, I have to tell you guys, my sister sent me the biggest surprise, my Fergie's Kitchen mask. So excited. Thank you, Maxine. Thank you, Antoinette. Guys, today we have Lloyd again in the kitchen. What are you making today?
Today we gotta make rock cake. There's a #1 dessert from Jamaica.
So we're taking it all the way back, Jamaican rock cake. And here's our ingredients for today, guys. This is our flour.
Flour, sugar, coconut, butter, baking powder, nutmeg, cinnamon, evaporated milk, mixed fruits, and eggs, and shortening. So we're gonna combine all the ingredients together. So we're gonna get ready now to start the mixing. So we're gonna add, first of all, we got the flour, 3 pounds of flour, 14 ounces of sugar, 6 ounces of coconut, 6 ounces of butter, 6 ounces of shortening, the most important, the baking powder. So after make this combine for 5 minutes, then we're gonna add the milk, which is 1 cup of milk, 2 eggs, and 6 ounces of fruits, and 1 cup of water. After 5 minutes, we add the egg. Then we're gonna add the fruits for another 2 minutes. So now we're making it mix for approximately 2 minutes. Now we complete the mixing of the dough for the rock cake. So we're gonna put it on the table. Break it off. Hold on, 4 ounces. Now we are ready to put them on the baking sheet, and we preheat the oven for 350 degrees, and we are about to put them in the oven for 45 minutes.
So my FK gang, we're at the end of another segment, and I hope you guys enjoy Chef Baker Lloyd today, because we love when he comes to visit. So today we're here to present
Rock cake, #1 dessert from Jamaica, taking it back all the way from 1980. Eh? 40 years ago. What? No.
Guys, how do you like it? What do you have to say, Lloyd?
Well, I don't know.
So guys, thank you for tuning in today. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen.
With special guest, Baker Lloyd.
All right. Fergie loves you, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Peace out.